In this video we are going to see how we can able to build the questionnaire. Like first of all, I'm just taking it as a task name and description and started it. So these three things I am taking. I am building this entire questionnaire with these questions. For each question we will be taking one row, so that will consist of type, name and label. Label can be displayed over the mobile application, and name can be stored. Name can be reserved for the database column names. So once we create this one, we can go to Google and we can able to test this form in the Google. So we need to type ODK XLSX. Once we do that, we can able to see that getodk.org/xls form. You need to go to this link, and then we need to upload that sample form. So once I choose the form, I can go to my downloads folder, and this is the form that I am going to submit. If any errors, that will be shown here. If there are no errors, we will be having these two things, that is download X form or preview in the browser. So what it will do is we can give the XLSX file to the XLS form, this choose file option. Once we submit it, we will be able to generate the XML form, that is X form. So also we will be able to see the whatever the questionnaire we have built, we can able to test whether it is correct or not. We can able to test it in the preview in browser option. So once I click on preview in browser option, we will be able to see the questionnaire here. Here we are seeing task name, description and date time. So for example, if we go to our Excel form, here we have given label as task name, that we can see it in here, that is task name, and the description we have given, and the description, these are all the questions that we have given for the questionnaire. So once I click on validate, so form is valid. So because we haven't given any restrictions for this question text boxes and date and time and those kind of things. In the next video we will be able to see how we can able to perform different kind of validations and different kind of skip logics and those kind of logics we will be seeing in the future videos. uh, thank you for watching this video.